Mae'r diwrnod arbennig, di hen ddisgwyl amdano, we waited a long time to get this day through. I gofio rwy'n arbennig iawn. Before the lockdown, cyn y clo mawr, Sioned James and the Reverend Elinor took a harp to Misram. A mae'r syniad Mair oedd, os di Misram yn cael telyn, fe rhaid i bryniad Kasia cael telyn. If Misram's going to have a harp, then Sioned should have a harp.
Dyma'n cyfle ni i roi diolch am fywyd Mair a pa ffordd well o wneud hynny nag ar gân ac yn gwrando arnoch chi fel cerddorion ac fel telenorion yn benodol. Mae'n fraint mawr cael bod.
William Matthias, and we're very pleased to be here this afternoon in this special event. And we're also looking forward very much to working with Mair's friends to realise the ambition of having the annual scholarship in her memory.
It's a great pleasure to be here playing on the same exact stool as I played for my very first harp lesson with Mair when I was 11. When I was her colleague, really. I used to work with her a great deal during the concerts in the Royal Liverpool Philharmonic Orchestra.
And I'm so happy that we are now going to fulfill her dream. And I'm very much hoping that taking the harp itself is just a small part of it. But it's a very important gesture because they're saying the journey of 1,000 miles started with the first step. Taking the harp is just the first step. And I hope we'll be able to build on it.
Porto viva en